What's your name, Ryan or John?
John.
John, how are you, John?
Good. How are you doing?
Driving is very easy. Just relax drive, okay?
So go ahead and put in drive.
Very good.
Watch for the pedestrian in front of you.
Shouldn't hit that guy, right?
No.
Just keep those hands on
What?
that wheel.
I'm trying to capture this video.
Hello?
No, don't check the telephone. Sorry about
Marty,
that.
what's up?
Hang up on the
I'm
phone.
gonna tell him to show. Hey, just stop snapping. Grandma! Yeah, it's me.
10 and 2.
What?
10 and 2.
What?
With the hands. 10 and 2.
Would you swing off and yawn over me? No problem. She was dressed like Wonder Woman, man, but like without the tights. He'll talk to you. You talk to him?
As you know, from 1st of July, you're not allowed to talk on the cell phone.
You can't hold on to the phone in the car. It's ridiculous.
Listen, I don't have brake. I don't have brake.
10 and 2. 10 and 2.
This is not a nightclub.
Please turn it off
That's
and
so
put it away.
stupid. Hold on.
John.
He's clapping. I don't know.
Thank you.
No.
Oh my
Thank you.
God, no.
Thank you.
Don't
Thank you.
Just hang up the goddamn phone.
Sir.
Or something.
May I have your attention?
You don't like me, John?
It was already.
It.
Pull over. Pull over. Get out of the car. I'm driving.
Hold on.
Get out of the car.
No.
You do not pay me enough. Open the door. No. Get out. Get out. I should make you walk back. This is ridiculous.